Working hard for NET-UG and JEE Mains Physics? Then you need Target's Absolute Series for Physics Volume 2. Based on the latest syllabus and paper pattern, the book contains a healthy mix of theory, MCQs, and learning techniques to help you prepare thoroughly for the NET-JEE main exams. Strengthen your conceptual knowledge with the concise theory given at the beginning of each chapter. And make note of all the important formulae. Solve more than 4,100 MCQs divided according to subtopics, including those from previous competitive exams. 85 numerical value type questions are also covered. Verify your answers with the answer key given at the end of each chapter, along with hints for the tricky questions. Then evaluate yourself with the topic tests. Acquire various tips and tricks to crack the exams with more than 10 learning tools. Scan the given QR codes using the Quill app to access even more benefits and learn on the go. Make learning absolutely simple with Target.